Meet the STIHL 041, a torque-loaded legend from the late 1960s. With 61 cc and over 5 horsepower, it's built to pull through hardwood like a freight train. It's not the fastest saw around, but it doesn't need to be. One user said, "It's like a brick with a chainsaw bar on it." Built with a solid magnesium housing and the first steel saw to include anti-vibration as standard, the 041 was made to last. And it has. Many are still running strong after 40 or 50 years of hard use. This particular one was listed by Alex in July 2025 and sold for $350.